Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of July 24th, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as National Thermal Engineer Day. It is observed on 24th July every year to show the importance of advancing the thermal engineering industry and is to provide the electronics industry with innovative, high quality and cost effective thermal management and its packing solutions. Now going to the current affairs. The first question is CESE house becomes India's heritage building to receive LEED v4.1 O+M platinum certification. And the options are A second, B first, C third and D fifth. And the correct answer is B first. CESE house becomes India's first heritage building to receive LEED v4.1 O+M platinum certification. Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation House built in 1933. LEED 4.1 is the latest version of the LEED rating system. And the second question is World Heritage Committee deletes which of the following from UNESCO's World Heritage List? And the options are A Liverpool Maritime Mercantile City, B Elbe Valley in Dresden, B Elbe Valley in Dresden, C Arabian Oryx Sanctuary and D none of these. And the correct answer is A Liverpool Maritime Mercantile City. Liverpool Maritime Mercantile City was inscribed on the World Heritage List in 2004 after the Elbe Valley in Dresden, Germany and the Arabian Oryx Sanctuary, Oman. Liverpool is the third property to lose its World Heritage status. And the third question is which of the following national park removed from the list of World Heritage in danger? And the options are A Okapi Wildlife Reserve, B Garamba National Park, C Salonga National Park and D both A and C. And the correct answer is C Salonga National Park. Salonga National Park, Congo, removed from the list of World Heritage in danger, inscribed in 1984 on the World Heritage List and in 1999 in the list of World Heritage in danger. Salonga National Park is Africa's largest tropical rainforest reserve, created in 1970. And the fourth question is which of the following city has been officially designated as World Capital of Architecture for 2023? And the options are A Oslo, B Baku, C Aarhus and D Copenhagen. And the correct answer is D Copenhagen. UNESCO and the UIA launched the World Capital of Architecture Initiative. World Capital of Architecture for 2020, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And the fifth question is, which of the following Indian city has been selected by UNESCO under its Historic Urban Landscape Project? The options are A. Varanasi, B. Mysore, C. Gwalior, and D. Noida. And the correct answer is C. Gwalior. Orcha and Gwalior selected by UNESCO under its Historic Urban Landscape Project. 6 cities of South Asia, including Varanasi and Ajmer, are already involved in this project. Gwalior and Orcha has been included as the 7th and 8th cities of South Asia Historic Urban Landscape Project of UNESCO. It was started in the year 2011. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO is founded in 1945, headquartered in Paris, France, and Director General is Audrey Azoulay. And the sixth question is, KTS Padanail passes away recently. He is renowned for which of the following profession? And the options are A. Producer, B. Director, C. Writer, and D. Actor. And the correct answer is D. Actor. And the seventh question is, Cabinet approves establishment of the Central University of which of the following? The options are A. Shimla, B. Ladakh, C. Hyderabad, and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is B. Ladakh. Cabinet approves establishment of the Central University of Ladakh at a cost of 750 crores. Union Cabinet approves establishment of LIIDCO in the Union Territory of Ladakh, which means Ladakh Integrated Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. And the eighth question is, which of the following bank signs MOU with the Indian Navy for salary account? And the options are A. Kotak Mahindra Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. Axis Bank, and D. HDFC Bank. And the correct answer is A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank signs MOU with the Indian Navy for salary account. And the ninth question is, which of the following state has launched a mobile application, Raj Kisan Organic? And the options are A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Assam, and D. Himachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Rajasthan state government has launched a mobile application, Raj Kisan Organic, for the coordination and negotiation between farmers and the buyers in the state. And the 10th question is, which of the following is the first airline in the Middle East to join the IATA Turbulence Aware platform? And the options are A. Air India, B. Qatar Airways, C. Korean Airline, and D. Indigo. The correct answer is B. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways is the first airline in the Middle East to join the IATA Turbulence Saver platform. IATA means International Air Transport Association, which is founded in 1945 and headquartered in Montreal, Canada. And the 11th question is, which of the following country has successfully test fired S-500 next generation missile system? And the options are A. China, B. India, C. Russia, and D. USA. And the correct answer is C. Russia. Russia has test fired S-500 next generation missile system. And the 12th question is, which of the following state has decided to provide free bus travel facility to Sanskrit scholars? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Madhya Pradesh, and D. Haryana. And the correct answer is D. Haryana. Haryana state government has decided to provide free bus travel facility to Sanskrit scholars. And the 13th question is, which of the following country has recently banned free internet services for social media? And the options are A. Nepal, B. Bangladesh, C. Pakistan, and D. North Korea. And the correct answer is B. Bangladesh. And the 14th question is, which of the following country will set up its first office in Europe in Ludhiana? And the options are A. Hong Kong, B. Singapore, C. Taiwan, and D. Thailand. And the correct answer is C. Taiwan. Taiwan will set up its first office in Europe in Ludhiana using the name Taiwan. The other diplomatic outposts of Taiwan on the continent are named Taipei. And the one-liners today are, Rashmi R. Das appointed to the UN Tax Committee as a member. Andhra Pradesh government will launch a flagship startup promotion scheme, ASAP. Himachal Pradesh government launched Bachcho Ka Sahara Phone Hamara. Yemi Gautam joined hands with Himachal Pradesh government for their initiative. NASA announced that its new spacecraft near Earth, Asteroid Scout. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, founded in 1958 and headquartered in Washington, D.C. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.